Hello everyone, and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can set up automated emails on Shopify. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now on my Shopify dashboard, and this is how the homepage looks like. So right here in the left side of your screen, as you can see guys, you're going to find all of these sections. Here you're going to find the home section, orders, products. Here you're going to find customers, content, analytics, and marketing and discounts. Here under sales channels, you're going to find online store and also point of sale. And here you're going to find your applications. And in the bottom, you're going to find settings. So basically, guys, what you need to do right now is click on settings. And then once you do that, you're going to be here. Right here, you're going to find all of the different settings of your Shopify store. So here, you're going to find all of these sections. Right here, you're going to find general, plan, buy link, users and permissions, payments, checkouts, and so on. So in this list, go ahead and search for notifications. Once you're here in notifications, as you can see, guys, you're going to find sender email. Basically, this is the email your store uses to send emails to your customers. So go ahead and choose the email you want to use to send emails to your customers. And after that, once you add it, make sure you send the verification to confirm you have access to this email. And then just verify it. You're going to receive it in your email inbox. And then, as you can see, guys, here in the bottom, you're going to find customer notifications, staff notification, fulfillment request notifications, and webhooks. For example, if you go to customer notifications, as you can see, guys, right here, you're going to find your order confirmation email. You're going to find all of these automated email. You can set them up or change them if you want. Just click on edit code. And then here you can edit the code for the emails. So this is it, guys, for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and see you guys in the next video.